Well, hello, welcome to unit number 3 for the interpretive planning for historic homes and gardens. Unit 3 is on the resource inventory of finding out just what it is you have that you can interpret and then putting it onto a map. This is some time ago we did the interpretive plan for Castle Ward, and we were able to use their as part of our inventory. And when we did our inventory, there was quite a list of things that we inventoried. And each one of those sites that we inventoried will develop an interpretive planning form set for, which you'll see in later units. So for what the assignment is now for Unit 3 is to create a list of all the things, all the sites that you want to include in your interpretive plan for your historic home and garden, and assign them a number. O's are orientation sites, B's are biological sites, G's could be gardens, whatever key you want to use, and apply them to a location map. Now, if your historic home already has a site map, it's pretty easy to do because a lot of the stuff's already listed. You just put the numbers on to show where each of these sites are. Refer to the Glen Burnie plan as an example of how that's done. And your inventory will be two different inventories. Depending on what your site is, one inventory will be of the exterior, the gardens, the walkways, the trails, the fountains, the demonstration beds, whatever. And the other inventory will be the internal, the different rooms that you want to interpret, that maybe different features of the room. So you need to do two inventories, and so that's what this site is about doing your site assessment of just where and what you want to interpret your inventory, and that's what you'll complete for this assignment for unit number 3, and then we'll move you on to unit number 4 for this week. Unit number 4 focuses on your market analysis. Who's your audience? If you have any questions, let me know. We can also chat if you want to, and I look forward to seeing what you're able to come up with for your inventory, and we can talk about it in more detail if you have questions. So that's the resource inventory for unit number 3, and refer to the Glen Burnie plan, and also the textbook. Go to the section in the textbook on resource inventory as well, and I'll be seeing you just a little bit when we work on unit number 4. Bye-bye.